Hey Body Project Boot Campers, and welcome to the 6-week transformation. This is going to be an awesome spring 6 weeks. We're excited. We have so many things in store for you. So today what I want to do is, we know that transformation never happens overnight. That's why we take 6 weeks to incorporate small habits that hopefully will get you to living a lifestyle, to living, feeling, and looking better. So over the next 6 weeks, we're going to be incorporating one new habit each week. Instead of giving you a lot of different things to do overnight, we're going to do is build on those habits one at a time. So at the end of the 6 weeks, you have really solid lifestyle habits that you've built on, that you've incorporated and gotten used to in your life. Studies show it takes about 21 days to incorporate a new habit. So this way you're not overwhelmed and you're more likely to succeed. So the first habit is pretty simple and straightforward. Drink water. It's one of the habits that probably most people overlook or don't put as much of importance onto it as it should, to really guarantee and help give you energy and more success. So your goal for the next 6 weeks is every day is to aim for 70 ounces of water. You can also look at it as approximately half of your body weight in ounces of water each day. So a lot of people think 70 ounces of water, especially if you're not accustomed to drinking that much, might think that that's a lot. Here are a couple tricks to help incorporating that. If you drink bottles, this is a 16-ounce bottle, so about 4 to 5 of these a day. Just break it up throughout the day. If you're on your way to work, drink one during boot camp, drink it on the way to work, drink at breakfast, drink at each of your meals. So you're spacing it out throughout the day. This is about an 8-ounce glass of water. So we've all heard the 8 glasses of water a day. That puts you at about 64 ounces, which is probably reasonable, but it's a little bit harder to measure, but just keep count. Here's a larger glass for people who work full-time jobs, or this might be something that might help you keep track while you're at work. Get a big glass, keep it next to your computer at your desk, and this one's probably 24 to 32 ounces. Find the measurement and say, okay, before I leave today at work, I need to drink 2 full glasses of these plus something on the way and on the way home from work. Keep your bottles with you all the time. You should feel almost naked without taking water with you. Keep it in the car, keep it in your purse, take it wherever you go. The next question people ask me, or they sort of get flustered and they say, well, if I drink this much water, I'm going to be in the bathroom all day long. Completely legitimate concern. However, you have to look at the positives of drinking water. So aside from the diet and weight loss aspects, because it helps energize your metabolism, it helps with energy, it gives you that glow, it helps keep you hydrated so that you don't feel less energy. It helps with, as I mentioned, your energy. They've actually connected it to birth defects. So it has impact on your hormones. There's physiologically so many impacts by making sure that you're hydrated. A human will die of dehydration before a human will die of starvation. So that just tells us how important drinking water is. So it is important that you keep up on this, incorporate it, and your bladder, like any other muscle, will adjust and adapt to it. So at first it may seem like you're going more frequently, but as your bladder becomes more used to it, your body's going to let go of the excess fluid, flush all of those toxins out of your body, and help you not go as often, but still get rid of those. It definitely gives you a sense of healthy well-being as well. When you're hydrated, you're not going to feel as lethargic and tired, so that's why it's really important. A couple other key notes. Make sure that you hydrate, especially for your workouts, not during your workout. We want you to drink and sip water throughout your workouts, but you want to make sure you're coming to your workouts already hydrated. You're hydrating for today, yesterday, and the day before, so you can't really make up for it. Be sure you're keeping consistent with your drinking. Also, make sure that it's water. Don't be adding powdered flavored drinks to them, 0-calorie, Crystal Lights, any of that. Those are chemicals. If you really want to kind of twist up your water and add some new flavors, add fresh fruit slices, add some lemon or lime. Sometimes I keep a pitcher in my refrigerator with just cut up fruit of all different kinds, and it helps to flavor the water naturally. When you start adding chemicals to it, even though it says 0 calories, there's artificial sweeteners, chemicals. Your body doesn't know what to do with them. Try to adjust your tastes to good, clean, pure water. Coffee does not count. Any other drinks does not count towards your water. So you're really trying to focus on drinking pure, unadulterated water with maybe some just flavorings. You can even take a little bit of grapefruit juice or unsweetened cranberry juice, put a little bit in a bottle and dilute the rest, and do that once or twice a day, and that's fine, just to kind of switch it up. So with that being said, 70 ounces of water every day, split it up throughout the day, feel the energy, get excited for this transformation, and I'll see you on the next habit, which we're going to be focusing more on the nutritional habits and getting into those week by week. So until then, guys, enjoy this transformation, and remember to be the transformation.